Hey friends, how's everybody doing? It's taken me a little while to get out another video. I'm sorry about that. It's been a little hectic around here with school being out and all. Well, first we're going to jump into it. Today I wanted to get our primary bedroom cleaned and organized and dusted and vacuumed and the windows cleaned, and there were so many stink bugs in the windowsill. I had to clean all that up. It was grossing me out. So first we're going to start by making my bed because I just like to start there. I feel like I'm getting something accomplished when you get the bed made. So first let's do that.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby I got you.
Okay, so now we're gonna get some laundry folded and put it away.
I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's a dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down.
So is everybody on summer break? Do you guys have any plans for vacations? You going to the beach, going camping? Let me know. I'd love to hear about what you guys are doing for the summer in the comments.
I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely.
Okay, so now we're going to dust this nightstand. I already dusted my nightstand, and for some reason the camera stopped recording. So we are going to dust my husband's nightstand. I'm removing everything on there. It is so dusty. And I am going in with this Pledge multi-surface spray. It's really good for wood. That's what we have, like real hardwood furniture. So I'm trying to take care of it. So I got some Pledge to dust with.
Now being honest, I'm gonna show that I got this love. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love.
Okay, now we're going to dust this dresser. This is where I have the printer and the printer paper. Man, things get so dusty in this room. How often do you guys clean your bedrooms? I do probably once a month, and I have to dust more often. It's killing me. I have asthma, so I have to try and get better at dusting more frequently.
Shitty car, but we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it right now, I'm in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Baby, I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby.
So do you guys collect anything? I have collected these, I don't know what they are, like crystal or glass. Like there's a cat and there's like a teddy bear with like a red gem heart. My mom used to work for the New York Attorney General's office, and that little figurine was on her desk. And when I was younger, I wanted that so bad. So when she actually quit that job and we moved here to Virginia, she ended up giving me that. And have you guys ever used Dossier perfumes? They're like dupe perfumes for like really expensive brands. That floral grapefruit is, I think, the Chanel Chance Tender perfume. That is my all-time favorite perfume. It smells so good. But you guys should check them out if you haven't. It's so much cheaper than just the real brand stuff, and it smells exactly the same.
Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that. And I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, 'cause right now I'm in it. Yeah, I'm fucking in it. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Baby, I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. I said, it's Cincinnati, baby, it's Cincinnati, baby.
I thought you loved me. You love me. Ooh, I honestly thought that you loved me. Love me. So why would you make me? You make me go to stupid parties with your homies. When you know I'm way too shy to function right. When you know I'll probably mess up your night, baby. Oh, baby. Ooh, I really need for you to save me. It's right now. Everybody's dancing, going crazy, kinda rap along with Jay-Z, but I'm feeling kinda spacey. I just wanna head home. I don't wanna talk to anybody, I don't wanna know your hobby, so I'll wait down in the lobby, then head home. And I know you wanted me to meet your friends, but I'm so tired of trying to play pretend. Everybody's dancing, going crazy, kinda rap along with Jay-Z, but I'm feeling kinda spacey. I just wanna head home. I made myself clear, or at least I thought I made myself clear. When we met, that I got severe social anxiety, one of many fears that you don't get. And I know you don't want me to end up alone, but if tonight is
Okay, so now we're going to vacuum this windowsill here with all the nasty stink bugs. And then we're going to wash the windows.
every
So now I'm going to be done cleaning these windows. I'm going to close the blinds and the curtains because, man, that sun was bright. And it was in the morning at this time, and we get most of our sunshine in the front of the house in the morning, and it was starting to get really hot. So I closed these curtains and blinds. And then we're going to start vacuuming.
Day for a high, yeah. It's a new day for good times. I just turn the page, let it write what it likes. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now. Every atom in my body feels okay. Yeah. It's a new day for good times. Yeah, yeah. Flying like I'm weightless, yeah, I'm losing all my senses, and it's making it impossible to die. Everything's in motion, yeah, I'm lost in the commotion, and I've never ever felt so freaking high.
Okay, well, I'm going to finish vacuuming and I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys for joining me today on cleaning my bedroom. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and I was able to give you some motivation to get a room cleaned in your home. And I will see you in the next one.